Hello and welcome to the Scatterable channel, and today I want to show you how you can pimp out your PC for as low as $50. So this here is my custom white and black gaming PC I decided to build just for the heck of it, and while I think all of it looks really cool, one part of it in my opinion sticks out in a bit of a bad way, at least for me visually, and that would have to be the graphics card that I chose. So that graphics card is my reference model Radeon RX 5700, and while it definitely has the performance to play games, visually, there's no RGB, it's a blower card, and most strikingly, there is no backplate on the graphics card. All the PCB is exposed, and without anything covering that up, it just looks really kind of off-put with the rest of the system. So I've gone ahead and checked out some of these lighting mods from V1 Tech to hopefully cure that issue and make our graphics card look more in line with the overall theme of this PC. So first, I'm going to install this custom GPU backplate from V1 Tech, and to install it was actually super simple. Like, I didn't need to unscrew anything from the graphics card. All I did was I put 4 of these little magnetic tip things onto the topmost side of the backside of the RX 5700, and I went ahead and just put on the custom GPU backplate onto the card, and it kind of just stuck into place because of those magnets, and I went ahead and hooked up the other end of its ARGB cable to the motherboard, and that was it. But I didn't stop there. I went ahead and also installed that GPU support bracket that also lights up, and installed just like a graphics card, except of course this is for the support bracket, so there's no like actual card there. But I did have to use thicker screws to actually get it into the PC case, which came with the support bracket, because the regular screws that you would use, say for a graphics card, are not as long because the support bracket is a bit thicker. But again, did that, hooked up the other end to the motherboard on another ARGB port, and yeah, that took care of everything. Anyways, I think this is a really cool way to make your graphics card look a little more personalized in your system, or say if you're one of those people who haven't had the ability yet to upgrade your graphics card, but you may have actually upgraded kind of like the rest of your system and you just want to modernize your old like 1060 or RX 500 card a little bit more. Getting a custom backplate and support bracket can hopefully make your graphics card feel a little more special, especially in these times. But best of all, you can do all that on V1 Tech's website right now for a really huge discount. So right now for today only, since it's Cyber Monday and this is the last day of their sale, you can get everything off of V1 Tech's website for 50% off using the code B50. And I'm being serious here. Their backplates are originally $100 at the lowest, but you can get them for 50. And they don't just sell those, they also sell wall art, fan covers, drive covers, even case panels, and all of that as well is 50% off using the code B50. And lastly, all the art that they promote on their website for these custom accessories are made by professional artists, but you can even submit your own designs if you wanted to again, further personalize your system. So if you want to check out that as well as this discount code, I'll have a link to V1 Tech's website at the top of the description. And seriously, do check them out, because today is the last day of that ludicrous sale. See if there's something you like in there if you want. And again, that 50% coupon is going to be so nice to get everything that you want for an affordable price, at least in terms of modding and lighting and all that. So that is it for today's super quick video showcasing V1 Tech's lighting mods. They're pretty cool. And again, that discount is so ludicrous. But really, that's it for today's video. I want to thank you guys for watching all the way to the end, especially for the short one if you've made it to this point. And with all that said, this is the Scatterable channel signing out.